Here's Vlaanderen. He's in 8th place. Jonass, who was 5th and then dropped to 9th after that mistake. A lap ago, getting himself back into contention as he chases down the number 10 on the Gavin van Venrooy Yamaha, the South African here, lead rider in shot. Just behind them, Lapucci on the factory Maddie machine. Another mistake there, slightly, twice actually, in quick succession from the number 10. Guadagnini closing in on Lapucci despite being passed by him a lap ago. Keeping our eyes peeled elsewhere as Prado and Fernandez, the other side of the twin air banners there. Fighting over that 2nd place. Fernandez closing in on the number 61. Meanwhile, and he's found his way past as well. Meanwhile, Jonass under attack from... In fact, Jonass has found his way past Vlaanderen. So Jonass now up into 8th place. A little bit further down the order, 13th for Jeremy Seawer. He's just nudged his way past Ben Watson. Watson now in 14th, and Seawer, of course, he was sick yesterday, didn't do the qualifying race, did 1 lap. Glenn Koldenoff, who was sick last night.